Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Row. In this video, we're going to be making a fire tornado that does damage over time, or 5 damage every second. Hit that subscribe button if you want to follow for more blueprint tutorials. Like, subscribe, share, comment below what you want to see next. My Patreon's in the description below if you want to support the channel, and let's get started. So first, I'm going to want to right click, create a new blueprint class. I'm creating this in my content browser. You can create it wherever you want. I do suggest being a bit more organized than the way I am. And I'll go ahead and create this actor called BP Tornado. And now in my BP Tornado, when I double click on it, also for this video, I'm going to be using the Advanced Magic FX 13. This is the one that has the fire tornado, the tornadoes and stuff. I think it's really cool. I'm pretty sure I got this as a free asset of the month, so you guys might actually have this if you've been using Unreal Engine or just collecting the assets for a while. Let's continue. So now I'm going to just add a particle system, a cascade particle system in this case, and then I'm going to add a box collision, and I'm just going to call this box. So now in the particle system, I'm going to unparent this, and now in the particle system, I'm going to add that tornado, or it's actually called storm, and this time I'll do a yellow. So this one looks good. I'm going to compile and save. And now for the box, I'm going to want this to kind of fit how wide we want it to be, which will cover the tornado. So yeah, this is good. And you can set the height if you are going to, if your character is going to be able to go higher than this box or jump over it. So yeah, this looks pretty good to me. So if the character is anywhere in this box, it will eventually take damage. So now all we're going to need to do is go to the box and then scroll down until you see events. And what we're going to want to do is on component begin overlap. We're just going to drag this out and we're going to set a timer by event. And let's do a time of 1 second and make sure looping is checked. We're going to drag out the event and add a custom event, and we're going to call this damage. And then we're going to drag the arrow and connect it to an apply damage node. And in our apply damage, we're going to set how much damage it's going to take every second because the time is 1 second up here. And the damage, let's do 5 in this case. And then I just want to drag this other actor and connect it to damaged actor. And now you can just hit compile and save, and then you can hold control and click B to go directly to the blueprint. And now when I go over next to the storm, I start taking damage, which is exactly what we want. But now that we're far away from the storm, you're going to see my HP still constantly go down. And we don't want that because our character is he's just doomed. So what I'm going to do is go back to our BP Tornado and now hit box and add another event called on component end overlap. And I'll drag this out. We want to connect the node called clear timer by handle. And now for the return value of the set timer by event, it's just going to go right into this handle. And this will pretty much just stop the timer as long as there's nothing overlapping it. So now when I hit control play and go over this, I'll be taking damage while I'm in it. And since I walked out of it, I stopped taking damage. And now if I go back into it, I'll be taking damage. And now I walk out of it and I stop taking damage. And that's a pretty simple blueprint to set up for the tornado to do damage over time. Like, subscribe, and share. Comment below what blueprint you want to see next. Thanks for following Code with Row. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.